Okay, let's start recording, and I want you to see my phone, and I haven't quite figured out how to get this only the camera, so you might have to adjust things. Let me put that make it better. I'm going to turn off this light. That makes it better. Okay, so there's my phone, and I already have a CamScanner. I already have it installed, but what I'm going to show you is all you do is search for CamScanner app, and you will find it, and you want to make sure that you get CamScanner and do the free one. You don't do the licensed one. Don't do the one you have to pay for. So it's green and it says CS. That's the one that you want, and then you want to install that. Once you get it installed, then it's in your apps, and I have it right there that you can see, and you're going to get ads simply because it's the free one. So what's going to happen is you're going to take your phone, and you see at the bottom you've got the little camera icon. What you want to do is, and I don't know how to show you this, I'm going to put the camera. Okay, so what I'm going to do is then I'm going to put the document I want to scan on my desk. Then I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to push the little camera icon, and it accesses my phone. I have my phone up so I get the whole page, and then again I hit the camera icon. So now, I don't know if you can see that, but I have that page on my phone. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the check mark. That's good. And what it did was it squared up that document. And then what I'm going to do is, you can do all kinds of enhancements, but I don't want to do any of those. So I'm going to check it again, and there's my document, and you can see up here at the top I have that sharing icon. And I want to share it as a PDF, and I want to share it to my Google Drive. Okay, now that it's shared to my Google Drive, I'm going to turn off the camera and then go to my computer. Okay, so let's open up a couple pages. I'm going to open up my Blackboard, and I'm going to open up a new page. I do have a Google account. You may want to set that up, but I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Okay, it wasn't here because I forgot to click share, and there it is, 1227. That's the one. And let's just double check. That's the one I just did. Okay, now what I want to do with this is I want to download it to my computer. And that download is going to be in the lower left hand corner of my screen. Alright, I'm going to go back to my Blackboard, and I'm going to open up my course content. I'm going to go to the week 1 folder, and I'm going to go way down to the bottom. Oh, right here. So the week 1 weekly activities practice uploading a document. So whenever you see the open textbook, that means it's homework, and you have to do something with that. And so it tells you when it's due, it tells you the points, and as you go down, here's where you turn in your submission. And we're going to be attaching the files. Now, when you are in the same screen as you downloaded it, you can just pull that document right into that attached files box, and there it is. And you're going to submit it. So this is what it looks like when I go to grade it. So I can see that document that you put in there. And it downloads it again to my computer, and then I can open it up again and I can read it and see that you did it. And that's what you're going to do for these first homeworks, and that's what you're going to do with the exams. You're going to scan the exam page by page, and you're going to submit it. Now with assignments, you can download multiple documents. With exams, for each question, you can only upload one document. So on the exams, you'll print it out. It'll be 4 or 5 pages. You'll do your work on the exam. And then there's multiple questions that all it says is submit your scanned document here. And you would put each page on a question. And when it gets closer, I will show you that so you don't feel anxious about that. Taking a test makes you anxious enough. So that's how you scan a document.